Hello, this is Tony Hanley from FirePro's office in Cyprus. And what I wanted to do today was just very quickly share with you the experiences of FirePro in Sweden. And the person that I have with me today is Richard Qvarfell from Qvarfell AB in Sweden. And what Richard has been promoting is the FP1000 Lifesaver grenade unit. Richard is an ex-firefighter from Sweden and understands that in today's firefighting environments there are many different materials, and in addition to that, saving vital time was Richard's motivation for doing lots of research with Lund University, together with the Swedish Fire and Rescue, together with leading insurance bodies, also the Government Civil Contingencies Agency as well. This has been a 2-year journey for Richard. What we've got here is a video where Richard actually does a live demonstration within a shipping container which contains a liquid fuel fire, to show how the FP1000 Lifesaver unit can actually buy time, reduce temperature, and actually make a positive contribution before the fire brigade arrive.
I should quickly explain what we are doing here. We are going to measure the temperature in the room, and it will be about 360 degrees when we start to extinguishing the fire. What we also are showing here is on the exhibition for firemen in Sweden in 2012. It's adjusting to save time and sync the temperature for the fire brigades comes. It's called dynamic alarming. It means that we could save time and sync the temperature with the Lifesaver, and we can also show it in the demo. Then we can see the temperature is sinking when we have through the Lifesaver in, and here you can see what the Lifesaver is doing. You can see the white clouds, and the temperature is sinking.
We reached 365 degrees. The FirePro unit was deployed within the container.
Yes, and we can also say if had it been 800 degrees, it was the clear sinking of the temperature.
So your research shows that FirePro lowers the temperature considerably.
And we have tested a lot, so it's very good. And today we have many of the fire rescue services in Sweden so are using the Lifesaver, and we have also have 3 incidents in a short time when we have saving buildings and lives.
So how long now have the Swedish Fire and Rescue Service actually been using the FirePro Lifesaver unit, Richard?
We could say that we have started with a year.
So in a year we've had 3 examples where it's been manually deployed, and the fire has been suppressed, and the fire service has been able to conduct the strategy in order to put the fire out. And I believe there's a story where the policeman in Helsingborg was travelling by a house and managed to find or chanced upon a problem, but that was another example where the FirePro Lifesaver was used. And would you say that a life was saved?
The house was saved.
The house was saved.
A lot of value was saved by the Lifesaver.
That's good. And you're demonstrating this to about 300 firefighters from all over Sweden. It's the annual convention for Swedish firefighters. So I hope you've enjoyed the interview today, and keep your eyes on the FirePro UK website. And your website, Richard, is www.x-fire.com. There you go. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Richard.
Thank you.